Hello! Dito kami sa lake. Ayan. Ito yung parking nila. So, ayan. May maganda yung view dito rin. Second day namin ngayon. And yung first day, hindi ako nakapag-video. So, ayan siya. Oh, ganda oh. May mga kayak. Kuya, si Kuya na. Kuya, bit-bit may gitara na. MJ!
That's not a bird. That's a geese.
Wow.
Huh?
Yeah.
But they call it bird here. Yeah.
Wow, swing.
Oh, you should leave that one to the car. Casey.
Balikan na lang natin.
Yay!
I can do it.
Yay!
Wait. Wait. Daddy. Whoa, the duck can walk on water. The duck is peaceful.
Yeah.
Running on water.
Hello.
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Stop it.
Oh.
Stop it, leave them push more.
Swing, swing.
Pero mo si daddy niya.
Oh, Daddy. Diyan ka lang, Daddy. Daddy, diyan ka lang.
Sa mga birdie.
1, 2, 3.
Nakabidyo
Ay.
yata.
Yan. Awan. It's the light. That's dapat mag-dito.
Ito tayo daan.
No.
No.
That's for me. You say, what the heck is here?
Mom, Daddy, let's go.
Go around, guys.
Eh, parang si Snow, si Angel.
Another one at the back.
At the back.
Back.
Ah, yeah. So cute.
After how many days,
What happened? Oh,
creepy.
nagano ba? Thank Okay. Ganda oh. It's a bear?
Have a photo with Papa Jeep. Everybody. Picture dito dali oh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's
Lalo na pagka yung bulig. Parang bulig. Parang ganun. Ano tawag dito?
Hello. Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
Dito kami sa may Bandang Quiapo.
Bantang Quiapo.
Quiapo ng Vancouver.
Yeah. Kaya po ng mag-cover. Oh. Hello guys. Oo nga. Private driveway, no public. Sa taas. Are you okay? Ito yung taking blueberry. Lava.
Mamaya hapon. At hindi na mainit.
You like picking?
Yes.
Oh.
Look at that. Wow, magpitik kami mamaya ng strawberry. Blueberry.
Bruno. Saga ni ano? AJ. That's your all animal. You should feed them.
Di, ba't ganyan pa shoes mo?
Kain yung wild duck.
Ah,
Yung wild duck.
ang dami rin dito, guys.
But this one is also good. You know why?
Ah.
They only eat grass.
Grass. Yeah. Anak, baka habulin ka.
You do not bring any tinapay. Tinapay. Don't feed the animal pala. You said don't feed the animal.
Where are they?
Diyan kayo. Sige, pakuha tayo dito. Sabi.
Oo nga. Sa atin yata na wala na yung ganyan.
Wala na ito. Yung nga ba ginagawa nila sa
Wow.
Look at the frog.
yung lily yan?
Lily.
Tingnan mga
May
sa
frog?
Google City, Deer Lake. Kung ano yung lake. Ayun na,
Ayan na.
Kaya naman kami dyan.
Oh, dali. Hello.
Welcome.
Kakaya naman sa'yo. Lucky.
Come here, Ducky.
Oh, come here.
I will totally not eat you.
Oh, baby yan.
That's baby?
Oh, baby.
You stop now. Hi, Baba. Hey, Beshi.
Beshi.
Sila sa'yo na may pagkain.
Ito pa.
Hindi, tinawag nyo kasi.
Oh, yeah. Dito kami.
Ano ba meron dito? Wait, meron dito.
Oh, where are you going?
Bago to ah. Bago itong binukas nila.
Kayak. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna be faster than you. I like to see you.
Oh.
Again.
Taas ng puno dito. What is that? Huh? Snail?
Slugs.
Slugs.
Malis na siya kasi hindi siya nakabayad na rin. Rental lang kasi dito. In our place we can see that before. We can see that there. Let's see if when we come back at home, let's see if we can see that windmill there.
It's so hard to see. May bear dito.
Stop looking. Where do you go?
No, we're going here. Inside.
Coyote.
Bird. Baby birds on the ground. Oo, kasi baka mag-ano no?
Hindi pa yan eh. Kakain lang tayo. Uwi muna tayo. Kakain tayo. Yung nga dati, ano lang. $2 lang kami sa video. Okay guys, we're on halfway now.
Halfway.
Halfway?
Okay.
What?
Are you tired, Daddy? Ba't ganyan? Turtle.
There's a turtle.
There's a turtle here, guys.
Ay, nahiya.
Oh, nasa na?
Hey, turtle.
Parang man-made itong ano. Hello. Ano tong ano na to? Parang man-made tong lake na to. Ikalang. Alam mo ba naki-ikalang?
Can you English the word ikalang?
NJ, we're videoing you. NJ, we're videoing. Where is the squirrels?
Where is the squirrels? Oh, the...
We're getting close now. We're very close.
Doon. Oo.
Sabi ni tita mo.
Can somebody?
Yeah.
Everybody's
Oh, yan. Dito na tayo. Deer Lake Trail.
You should learn how to walk.
Yeah.
There's a big foot. Yeah, your foot is very big.
I know. Now I'm a deer.
It's like a... yeah. Yeah. Oo nga, no. Okay, babalik na kami doon sa park, sa lake. Oh, ang ganda dito, oh. Oh, it's nice place. Dito maganda kumain, ang ganda. Ang laki ng tree. Diyan ka, Daddy. Okay, dalawa. 1, 2, 3. Sapa. Sa kami sa lake.
No, Taste, have a photo with raccoon. Okay, ready, AJ?
So ugly.
No?
It's not that far.
What? Are you tired already? What? Sabay ngiti eh. Ayos ka.
Papahirapan mo si Papa G.
My turn.
My turn. What he said?
Killing you softly.
Killing me softly walk.
Killing me softly.
What is this walk?
Killing me softly walk.
Oh, already here. Oh, the birds.
Oh, there.
Ano?
You have to walk, NJ.
Jay. Yung sombrero.
Di ba yung pang water lily?
Nakita ka ng shark.
Shark? Oo nga, no. Ayun, oh. It's a shark.
Iris, ito, treatment area.
Nag-iris.
Mamaya, gawan tayo ng pagkain. Another 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, yun, nagpipiknik sila.
To vandalize this. They vandalize. May kasalan dito, oh. Oh, dito naman lagi kinakain. Ito, uwak. Ito, uwak. Ay, uwak yun.
Raven.
Hey, have you seen the raven? Raven, is it a raven?
Or hawk, hawk. Pala yun, hawk.
Never!
Is that hawk? Ah, that's hawk. Oh, no, this raven.
Yeah, raven yan, kuya.
This raven.
Ayun pa isa. May isa pa dun.
It's hot.
Oh, wow.
First I thought.
Oh, dito na kami. Ayan, nakarating na kami sa parking.